All are able to hear me and have a look on the board? I request all of you to shut your audio so that it shouldn't be disturbance to anyone. So now mathematics, it is the 10% of your paper. See, the thing is, why am I taking responsibility of logic reasoning, math and English? Okay, English is the subject which I have been studying since from my school, and I have done a course of English in between when I was doing the engineering. So I think I'm very good enough to give knowledge about English. Math and logic reasoning, why I love to take the class of math and logic reasoning, being an engineer, I think I have enough and more knowledge to just transfer it from my end to your end. So don't be in the dilemma why one single teacher is teaching all the three subjects. This is somewhere odd and out. There is nothing much here, but math and logic reasoning are related subjects. Math and logic reasoning are related to each other, and it will be having the same sort of strategy to apply towards the subject. So I'm here to take that. So now if I it is 10%. I request you people to shut your audios, please. Shut all of your audios. All your unwanted stuff is going to be here by everyone. Please shut your audios. Please off your audios. What I am speaking should be heard, and if you are having any doubt, then you on your audio, and when I'm asking, then on your audio. Or else there are so many things. This is recording class. This is a recorded class. Everything is on record. So this will be helping the students who are not attending the classes for so and so reason. So please don't mess it. Now the 10% is the paper of your maths, and it is very easy. It's a cakewalk. Only the thing is, like, you need to know the basic concepts and you need to understand the strategy how to solve it. Apart from that, you should be very smart in maths. In the calculation, at least you need to know proper addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so now this is a question for Vedavarshini. Vedavarshini, were you there for my last math class in the weekday batch?
No, ma'am, I was not there, ma'am.
Okay, good. So none of them were there in the weekday batch, no? For no one it is a repeating class, right? Apart from Samhita. Samhita, she have already she know the little syllabus. Okay, now if I ask, Vedavarshini, calculate this and say me 91 and 61 within 15 seconds. I want the answer within 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ma'am, ma'am, 5551, ma'am.
5551.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now say me this. Say me this, what is this within few seconds, Darshan?
Yes, ma'am.
59 into 63.
Yes. Ma'am, 3717.
Now, I don't know what is the mode you have used. You have calculated by itself whatsoever it is. Now, let me just teach you how to do multiplication in a shorter period of time. That is, if I want to calculate 23 into 14, take this, 2 into 1 is 2, do crisscross, 2 4s are 8, plus 3 1s are 3, put a bar, 3 4s are, now the last thing is this, 3 4s are 12. So 8 plus 3 is how much? 11, 2 and 12. So this is a balancing method. You will write 2 as it is, send this 1 this side, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, Send this 1 this side. 1 plus 2 becomes 3. So the answer is 322. Now, if I am making you to calculate this 97 and 64, what you will do? 9 6 is how much? 54. 9 4 is how much? 36. Plus 7 7 is how much? 42. 7 4 is how much? 28. So 36 plus 42 is 78, and this is 54 and 28. Write 8 as it is. Write 8 as it is. Send this to this side, that becomes 10. 0. 1 carry to this. 7 plus 1 8. This 8 is going this side, that is 8 plus 4 12. So here 2 and 1 here, so that is 6. 6208 is the answer. Am I clear? So you people will do it using this?
Yes.
This is called as Vedic method, and I want the answers within few seconds. Do this. What is the answer for this? 74 into 68. Samhita Vedavarshini Purva. Shut your audios, guys. Shut your audios. Off your audios because unnecessary noise. 5168.
70? Okay, let's take it.
$74, 68. 7 6 40. 7 6 is how much?
42.
42.
Ma'am,
7
the answer
8
is
50.
32.
32. Okay.
Yes, yes.
What is 7 8 56 and 6 4 24, and this is 4 8 32. So this becomes how much? 56 and 24 becomes 70. 5 6 7 80. 80, and this is 2 and this is 3, and this 8 plus 2 is 10, and this is 5. 5032, and this can be done within few fraction of seconds. Okay, this was a glimpse of n number of problems, and why I am taking 2 digits. It is very in the competitive examination, max to max only 2 or sometimes 3 digit one is asked. Now when it is asked 3 digit, how will you do? 971 371. First you should take this. See, since there are 3 plus 3 is how? 6. So you will be having 5 steps. Whereas in two numbers, 2 plus 2 is 4. You were having -1, that is 3. 3 steps you were having. Now here you will be having 5 steps. How will you do that? First do 9 3s are 27, and do this and this. That is 9 7s are 63, 7 3s are 21. Next step. What is the next step that you are doing? This and this. 9 1s are 9, 1 3s are 3, 7 7s are 49. Done. And the next step is this and this. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So 7 plus 7. Last one is this 1. It is very easy. So this becomes what? 14. So this becomes 9 plus 49 becomes 58. 58 plus 3 is 61. And this becomes 74. No, 84. And this becomes 27. And how will you balance this now? 4 is written as it is. 4. This 1 gets carried to this 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 6 get carries to 4. 10. And 1 carry to this 9. 9 plus 7 becomes how much? 16. And 3. 36024 is the answer. 36024. Very easy. What is the step? Once this. and next this and this, next this and this and this, next this and this. So these are the 5 steps. Last and last, this and this, and middle one. So you can do 3 cross 3 also. Now say me the answer applying this for this number.
Ma'am, the third step is 7 into 3, 7 into 7, and 7 into 1.
Third step is 9 into 1, 1
Okay.
into 3, 7 into 7. This,
Oh.
this, 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 and this and this. Okay?
Oh, thank you.
Now,
Thank you.
do this number 748 into 372. I want the answer. Do this 7 plus 3 and this into this into this, then this and this. Do according to this. Apply these steps and do it and say me the answer. Who will say it fast? 748 372. Vedavarshini, Purva, Samhita, Darshan, Akshata, Harshita, all of you do it. I don't know whom I will be asking the answer. By this time I could have got the answer. Seven threes are 21. 7 twos are, sorry, 7 sevens are
Ma'am,
49.
2 lakhs, 2 lakhs,
Ma'am, 2, 7, 8,
2
5,
lakhs 78,256.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me just check. So 7 sevens are 49, 4 threes are 12, and 7 twos are 14, plus 8 threes are 24, and 4 sevens are 28, and what is this? 4 twos are 8, 8 sevens are 56, and the last one 8 twos are 16. Balance this, you will get 6, and this becomes what? 64. And so 1 plus 4 you will get 5, and this is 6, and this becomes what? 38 plus 28 becomes 56. So that is 6 plus 6 12, and this becomes 7, and this is what? This is 6 kya? No, 49. 49 plus 12. 49 plus 12 is how much? 61. So that becomes your 8, and that is your 7 and 2. Is this correct? So you got the same answer. So you can do this any number you can do within few fraction of seconds. Now if I say you 7437, do this within 15 seconds. I want the answer within 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Done, ma'am.
16.
2738, 2738,
26.
Okay.
2738,
27 or 26? 7 threes are 21, 7 sevens are 49, 4 threes are 12, 4 sevens are 28, 8, and this becomes how much? 49 plus 12 is 450.
2738.
Yeah,
61, ma'am.
61. So this is 3 and 2 is 7 and 2. 2732, 8. 3738, right? 2738. Yeah. So Darshan did it. Rest of you, what you did? Did you do that? Okay. Now this will be the last thing. I will be jumping into the topic. 978643. Within 15 seconds or within 20 seconds you can say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
628
Yeah.
854.
Huh.
628 854.
Rest all of you. Harshita,
Yes,
Purva,
ma'am. It's
Veda.
correct. Yeah, I got it.
Darshan.
Ma'am, 628,854, yeah.
So this is how, see, you need not to be normal. If you are normal, then it is very difficult for you to crack the competitive examination. Now, for example, now listen to me. All of you listen here. If I want to say you to calculate 52 square, how will you do? See here, look at here. How will you do? 52. Now, this what I am teaching is whenever your 5 is in your tens place. If your 5 is in your 10 place, what are you going to do? What you will do? 5 into 5 is 25 plus what is this number? The same number, no? So take it once. That is 25 plus 2 is 27. 0, 2 2s are 4. So you will get what? 2704 as answer. You can check. Now if I say 57 and 57, 5 5s are 25 plus this 7 ones. So it becomes how much? 32. And 0 7 7s are 49. You will get double digit only, so you can write this 3249. You can cross check, the answers will be correct. Now say me like this only for 59. What is the answer for 59 square? That is 59. 5 5s are 25. Do it in the same way. Say me the answer.
2581. Oh, sorry. 3481.
3481.
3481.
3481 is the answer. Now how will you do this? Whenever your 5 is in your tens place. Now if 5 is in your ones place, now what you will do if your 5 is in your ones place? For example, 35 square. What you will do if your 5 is in your ones place? See, 5 5s are 25. Okay. So see, for example, if you write 3535, what you will do? 5
Now,
5s are 25. Listen to me. Now 3, right? What is the next number of 3? 4. 3 4s are 12. 1 2 2 5. Now, for example, if I say 65, 65, write this 5 5 25 as it is. No change. 6 6 6. Next number of 6 is 7. 6 7s is how much?
42.
42. So 4225 is the answer. Now for example, 75 square. 25 you will write as it is. What is the next number of 7? 8.
56.
7 8 is how much? 56. So 5625 is the answer. Now how will you do this? 25. 5 square 25. 2 into 3. That is 6. 625. The next number of 2. Now everyone say me, what is the answer for 85 square? Fatafat say.
7225.
No. Exactly. 72.
25. 7225.
8 sevens are.
7225. Ma'am, the answer is 7225.
No. How much is 8 sevens are?
8 9s are no, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry. The next number is 8 9s are 72. Very good. 7225 is the answer. Now how will you do it for 95? 9 into 10.
0
9 into 10.
25.
It is not taking you 1 second to think. Okay, now this is all done. Now what if I do like this is the square if the 5 is in your tens place or 5 is in your ones place. Now what you will do if 1 is in your ones place. For example, 21 square. Now listen everyone, the next number is for you to do. How you need to do? This 2 what you should do? 2 into 2, 2 plus 2 and write 1 as it is. What is 2 into 2? 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 441 is the answer for 21 square. Now, for example, 71 square. What you will do? 7 into 7, 7 plus 7 and 1. 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 14 and 1. You should balance this since these are double numbers. So 1, 4, this comes here 10 and this goes there. 5041 is the answer. Okay, now do this. Do this everyone. 91 square, 31 square, 51 square. I want the answers. What is 91 square? 1 as it is. 9 into 9. 9 plus 9. How much will you get? 9 nines are 81. 9 plus 9, 18. And
84,
1. 1,
61,
8, 2, 8. 1, 8, 2, 8. 8 to 1, 8, 1. Am I right? How is 31? 31 and 31. 3 into 3, 9. 3, 3, 6.
961.
961. 961 is the answer. 5 into 5, 25. 5 plus 5, 10. And 1. 1062. 2601. So is that not easy? Now, this is when 1 is in your 1's place. Now, what you will do if 1 is in your 10's place? Let me show you. Now, it's very easy. If 1 is in your 10's place. 1 square, how will you do? 11. It's very simple. Write this 1 as it is. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 into 1, 1. Ulta. Like 1 plus and into. What you did for the other thing. Now, for example, 13 square. 13, 13. Write 1 as it is. 3 plus 3. Here plus you should do first. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 169. Am I correct? Do that. Do this now. 17. Do for 17. Write 1 as it is. 7 plus 7, 14. 7 sevens are 49. So answer is 9, 8, 2. 289 is the answer. Now do for this. Harshita, say me the answer for this. 18 square.
324.
Huh?
324.
1. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 8 is 64. 4. This becomes 12 and this becomes 2 and 3. 324. Very good. Is that hard? Everyone, did you get this? I taught you how to do multiplication. I taught you double and triple. Both the things I taught. I taught you squares of 5 when it is in 1s and 10s. I taught you 1 when it is 1s and 10s. This is not an ending journey. This is you can find out square roots, cubes, squares of anything and what not you can do in the shortest form. This is how you will clear the competitive examination. It's not by the normal method. If you do by the normal method, then it will take a long time, which is not suitable for the competitive examinations. So you need to learn the shorter tricks to do, which is applicable for everything. You can apply this for everything. Is this done? Did you all understand how you need to act smart? Shall I proceed to the subject? Yeah, whenever we are solving the problems, whenever I come to know about anything, I'll be giving you the hint how you can do it in the shorter way. Did everyone understood? How many are there with me? Samhita, Veda, Harshita, Akshata, Darshan. All got it? Shall I proceed?
Sure.
Did you all find out it easy or you think that this is an headache?
No.
What, Purva?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you find it easy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we will jump today into number system. Playing with numbers. Number system. Okay? Now, how you should be very smart to do any sort of problem, let me just say you. If I give this sum, let me see how many of you can solve it and how many of you cannot. Okay, I want the answer 796 into 796 minus 204 into 204. I need the answers within 25 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Got it.
23, 24, okay, 25,
592.
Ma'am,
592. See,
3.
what I want you to do is a square and this is B square.
Ma'am,
A
5 lakh
square
92,000.
minus B square.
5,92,000.
Yeah. A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. Okay. What is A plus B? 796 plus 204. That gives you 1,000. Like 10,000, right? 6, 4, 10, 9, 10, and 7 and 3, 10. Yeah. This is 1,000. So 1,000 is your this thing. 1,000 into what is A minus B? 796 minus 204. This is 2 and this is 9 mein 0, 9 and this is 7 mein 2, that is 5. 592 minus, yeah, 592. 1,000 mein if you do minus 592, how much you will get? And that too it is into. 1,000 into 592, very easy. 592, put 3 zeros, done. Right? 1,000 into 592, how much time does it take? Only few seconds. Now, all of you apply the same brain, what I had did it here, and say me the answer of this. 387 into 387 plus 113 into 113 plus 2 into 387 into 113. I want the answer within 30 minutes, if 30 seconds. If not, you will get blasted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Ma'am, 2,50,000.
Wonderful.
Ma'am, 250000.
2,50,000.
Yeah. Wonderful. The answer is 2,50,000. How did you do? A square, B square
plus B.
plus 2AB. That is A plus B whole square. Right? 387 plus 113 square.
500.
Wonderful. You will get the answer. Wonderful. Now this will be the last one. We will be heading it towards the actual sums of it. I wanted you people to do this sum. Let me see this time. If I don't get the answer from everyone now, where did the sum go? 1 second. Yeah, I want you to find out I wanted you to find out 75983 into 75983 minus 45983 into 45983 whole divided by 30,000. I want the answer within few minutes. Few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
1 month.
14,
1.
15.
1 month.
Huh?
1.
1? No.
I'm sorry. 3. Sorry, ma'am. The answer is 3. Sorry. 3,
No,
ma'am.
the answer is not 3. No.
It's 3. 30,000 whole square. No.
A square
Ma'am, the
minus
answer is
B square.
30,000. 30,000.
No.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
see, A square, look at me, A square minus B square. Now, when you add 75983 and 45983, how much, sorry, minus, when you minus this, how much you will get? This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0 and 30,000. Can't you write it as A plus B? Now what it is? A plus B into A minus B divided by a plus b. So a plus b gets cancelled. A minus b is your answer. So what is a minus b?
30,000.
Sorry, this is minus, right? 75 minus. So this is minus. A minus b. So a minus b. So a plus b. A minus b, A minus b gets cancelled. So what is your answer? A plus b. So what is a plus b? Do plus here. Yes.
Hey, 30,000.
Yes.
Is it 4.06? 1 to
Why
1,
you people?
966.
Yeah. Who is this? Who is this? 1 to 1.
That's
They are
divided. Oh.
Look at me, listen to me first. A square minus b square by a minus b. That is a plus b into a minus b divided by a minus b. A minus b is getting cancelled. What is a plus b? 75983 plus 45983. This is 6. This is 16. And that is 19. And that is 11. And that is 12. So 121966 is the answer. 3, 4, 30. What is that? A minus B, because you are doing 75,983 minus 45983. When you do minus for this, you will get 30,000. That was in your denominator. 30,000 was in your denominator. You can write A minus B. In the numerator, you have A square minus B square. A plus B, A minus B. Cancel this. You will have A plus B. Answer is 121966. Okay.
1 to
All
9.
clear? Any doubts? All clear? No 1, no 2, no other answers. So you can do it in multiple ways, but then how correctly you do, that is very important. Now let me know the answer of this. 343 into 343 into 343 minus 113 into 113 into 113 whole divided by 343 into 343 plus 343 into 113 plus 113 into 113. My dear students, it's not very easy to get into the National Law University gates. You need to use your brains. If it is rusted, please sharp it. And your 12th standard, pass out or pursuing, or 11th standard pursuing. This and all is taught you in the 10th standard. Go. Do the answer and say it me. Say to me, who will say the correct answer? Let me see. I should get the answers. 343 into 343 into 343. Sorry, this is 343. Minus 113 into 113 into 113. Whole divided by 343, 343, 343 into 343. And plus 113 into 113. This is plus and plus. Answers.
Ma'am, it comes as a cube minus b cube divided by a square.
I want the answer. I want the answer. If you have answers, say me. Don't say all khichdi palav and all. Give me the answer. What is the answer? As someone was saying, 343, 343. Okay, a cube minus b cube whole divided by
The denominator.
is a square. This is AB.
AB. Yeah.
This is b square. Okay. Now what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? A square plus ab plus b square into a minus b. So whole denominator and this is got cancelled. You will be having only a minus b in the numerator. When you have a minus b in the numerator, what is the difficulty for you to minus this? 343 and 113. You will get 0 and this is 3 and 2. Answer is 230. For this, you people are struggling. And why you are struggling? You don't know the formula. Algebraic. You people don't know the algebraic formulas. No darshan, you failed. I wanted the answer within 25 or 30 seconds. That's how you will clear the competitive examination.
Ma'am, in the denominator.
The doubt formula is
Denominator is equal.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Darshan.
In the denominator, you had put 343 plus 343 that time. Now it's into.
I didn't change anything. It's there like that only. I didn't change anything. I think you noted it wrong.
Ma'am,
Did I change in between? Did I change in between anything apart from Darshan? It was into only from the initial. Okay. Yeah, yes, Purva.
even I copied the question wrong.
Yeah, it was your mistake. I didn't change anything. Only the thing is I had left here 3. I had left here 3. Apart from that, I didn't touch anything. It is all like that. 3, 4, 3 into 3, 4, 3 plus. I repeated also. These are 2 pluses, Karkar. I repeated. Okay, chalo. This is the something, and I want you to go through all the. There are 22 algebraic equations. I will be sending it in the group after the class. Thorough it. Go through that and get thorough with it. Next class I will be asking. There are 22 algebraic equations which you are meant to know. You should know it at any cost. So that's how it is, and we will jump into the topic now. Now, if I wanted to say you, now, this so you can do. At least say me this within few seconds. And please note it down as it is. Don't blame me later. Please note it down as it is. If you are not able to see, please say it. I can zoom. 6x minus 2x plus 3x is equal to 4 plus 9 minus x. At least say me this in the few seconds. 1, 2,
4.
3.
X is 4.
Wonderful. Yeah, x is 4. What about this? What is the answer of x here? Did everyone get x is equal to 4? It's very easy. This 27 is going there. How much it becomes? 40. 9 plus 4 plus 27, 40, 6x. If you do, you will get 4x. Sorry, 10x. 10x, then that gives you 40 by 10, 4. This, what is the answer of this?
Minus
This is
1.
minus 1.
Wonderful. The answer is minus 1. Did everyone get minus 1?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Let me move to the next question. I wanted you to note down the question. I can't write on the board. It is the verbal ones. So note down the question properly. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 12. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. The difference of the digit is 6. Find the numbers. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 12. The difference of the digit is 6. Find the number. I'll repeat. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. The difference of the digit is 6. Find the number. Samhita, you should not say. Apart from Samhita, everyone.
3. Okay.
Apart.
Ma'am, x is 9 and 3 is, y is 3.
Right.
Sum of the digit. Sum of the digit is x plus y. How much it is? 12. And what is the difference of the number? 6. If you do sum of the numbers, you should get. See, at least when I am saying, you people should keep quiet, or else I will get disturbed. X plus y 12, x minus y 6. Now this is got cancelled. 2x. 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 9. One number you got. Put that x
93.
value here. 9 plus y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 3. So the number is 93. 93 is the number. When you sum it, you will get 12. When you difference it, you will get 6. Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want a hard-working person. No. I don't want a hard-working student. No. I want a smart student. Hard-working is gone. Hard-working days are gone. The more smart you are, the more nearer you are to the destination. Or else if you think you will be hard worker, then you will be there only. Hard work, yeah, hard work should be there. Along with that, double than that, you should have a smartness. How smart you act. Then only you can get into it. Okay. Now, write down the number. In a series of 8 consecutive odd numbers, 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 the sum of the second and sixth, the sum of the second and sixth number is 24. Number is 24. What is the third number? What is the third number? In a series of 8 consecutive odd numbers, the sum of the second and sixth number is 24. What is the third number?
Ma'am, is the third number 20?
10.
20.
How much?
10. I got 10.
Okay. See, you should be very clear that odd is represented as n and even is represented as n plus 1. Always have a note, odd is represented as n and even is represented as n plus 1. So, how many odd numbers I have? 8. That means 8n. 8 odd numbers I have. What I need to calculate? See, 2n plus 6n is equal to 24. My second odd number and sixth odd number is 24. That means 8n is equal, no, I can't do this. 2 into n plus 1. No. If you take 2 plus 6, that becomes 8n. Yeah. 8n is equal to 24. So, n becomes what? 24 divided by 8. 8 ones are, 8 threes are. N is equal to 3. Now, if n is equal to 3, I want the third number. That is 3n. 3 into 3, 9. Answer is 9. Let me explain you again. I don't know how did you people do it, but this is the way you need to do. So, odd numbers are n, even numbers are said as n plus 1. Okay? Now, odd numbers. How many odd numbers? 8 odd numbers are there. And I am asked second odd number and sixth odd number when you add, you will get 24. That means 2n plus 6n is equal to 24. 8n is equal to 24. N is equal to 24 by 8. That is 8 ones are, 8 threes are. N is equal to 3. Now, if n is equal to 3, I want the third odd number, 3n. 3 into, what is n? 3. 9 is the answer. Yes, Darshan, what was your doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
My dear students, check out where you have gone wrong. Please do correct it. Now, say me the answer for this. If you know this, you can do that. In a series of 6 consecutive numbers, the third and fourth consecutive number is summed and the sum is 60. In a series of 6 consecutive even numbers, 3 and 4 if you sum, third number and fourth consecutive number if you sum, you will get 60. Find out the sixth number. Say me the answer. Say me the answer. There are 6 consecutive numbers. Third and fourth, if you are summing, you will get 60. And I want the 6th number. How will you do that? 3 into n plus 1 plus 4 into n plus 1 is equal to 60. Why n plus 1? Because it is even. 3 into n, 3n plus 3 into 3, 3. 4 into n, 4n plus 4 into 1, 4 is equal to 60. 3n plus 4n, 7n, 3 plus 4 is 7 is equal to 60. 7n is equal to 60 minus 7. That becomes how much? 53. 7n is equal to 53. So n is equal to how much?
Correct.
7.57.
7.57. N is equal to 7.57. If n is equal to 7.57, I want what number? 6th number. That means 6 into n plus 1. So put n value there. 7.57 plus 1 becomes 8.57. 8.57 into 6. 8.57 into 6. What is the answer?
51.42.
That is your 6th consecutive number. Did you get the concept? I want you people to get the concept. Once the concepts are clear, you can calculate n number of problems. Is this clear to everyone? Vedavarshini, Harshita, Akshata. Where are you, Akshata? Are you doing it?
Yeah, ma'am, I got it.
You got it, right? Please see, there is a humble request for everyone. This is a virtual class. I am not able to see you, what is that, physically. So I don't know what is your expression. Whether you are understanding, not understanding, I am not able to grasp it. I am not able to analyze it. So what is that? It is your duty to ask me, ma'am, this is the doubt. Ask me 100 times. I am ready to explain you 100 times. But you will not sit there with a doubt. If you are sitting there with a doubt, that means you are doing injustice to yourself. So I want everyone to concentrate. Did everyone get this? Veda, Purva, Samhita,
Yes, ma'am.
Darshan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Or my frequency is high? Do you want me to lower down my frequency?
No.
Okay, the next problem that I wanted you people to note down is this. When 3, is this the question? Should I go with the next? Okay. When 3 is added to half of 1/4 of 1/5 of a number. I repeat, when 3 is added to half of 1/4 of 1/5 of a number. When 2 is added to half of 1/4 of 1/5 of a number, the result is 1/5 of a number. Sorry, 1/15th of a number. The result is 1/15th of a number. Find the number. I repeat the question. When 3 is added to half of 1/4 of 1/5 of a number, the result is 1/15th of a number. Find the number. Find the number. Come on, say me the answer. It's
Ma'am, the number is 72.
okay. The number is 72. Okay. When 3 is added to half of 1/4 of 1/5 of a number. This is a number. X is a number and 1/5 of a number. Now what is the answer? The answer is 15th of the number. 1/15th of the number. So I need to find out the number. It is very easy. I got the equation. So what I'll do? 3 plus 1/2 into 4 5s are 20. X by 20 is equal to x by 15. 3 plus x by 40 is equal to x by 15. Okay. X by 40, I will send this. 3 keep here, or else you can send 3 that side also. X by 40 minus x by 15 plus 3 is equal to 0. I am keeping here 0, and let me bring x minus 15 this side. So what you x is common. What you will do? X minus x, 40 by 15. Take LCM and do it. How much you will get?
Ma'am, x is
LCM
72.
is how much?
120.
LCM of 120. LCM is 120. To make this 120, that is 3x minus, to make this 120, what is 15? 8x plus 3 is equal to 0. So how much is that? Minus 5x by 120 plus 3. 5 ones are, no, you can't do this. Yeah, either you can do that also. Yeah. So
Ma'am, could you
yes,
could you just repeat the question? I guess I've written it wrong.
when 3 is added to half of 1/4 of 1/5 of a number, the result is 1/15th of a number.
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, so what it is? Minus 5x divided by 120 plus 3. So it becomes what? Minus 5x plus 120 is equal to minus 3. So minus minus get cancelled. 5x is equal to 120 into 3. That gives you how much?
360.
Yeah. 120 into 3 gives you how much? 360. 360 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to how much? 360 is equal to 5x in the sense x is equal to 72. Did you get this? It's very simple. Since I am explaining it, it may take a long period of time, but it is very easy. Answer is 72. Did everyone get 72?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Take down the next. Did everyone get? Shall I proceed?
Sure.
Okay. This is your question. 10 years ago, the age of 10 years ago, the age of Anand was 1/3 the age of Kumar. 10 years ago, the age of Anand was 1/3 the age of Kumar. At that time, full stop. The present age of Kumar is 12 years more than the present age of Anand. The present age of Kumar is 12 years more than the present age of Anand. Find the present age of Anand. I'll repeat the question. 10 years ago, the age of Anand was 1/3 the age of Kumar at that time. The present age of Kumar is 12 years more than the present age of Anand? Find the present age of Anand. Find the present age of Anand.
Ma'am, 16.
Ma'am, the present age of Anand.
And
16, ma'am.
very good. Present age of Anand is 16. See, 10 years ago the age of Anand, that means 10 years ago, x minus 10. 10 years ago, the age of Anand is 1/3. 1/3 the age of Bala at the present time. And is 12 years more than the present age. So, what it is? You can write 1/3, right? X minus 10 is equal to 1/3 y minus 10, because that is 10 years ago with that person also, right? X minus 10 is equal to 1/3 y minus 10. This is the equation. If you find this equation, you will get it easily. 10 years ago, the age of Anand is as equal to the 10 years ago, the age of Anand was 1/3 the age of Bala at that time. The present age is 12 years, or else you can write like this also. You will get, if you want the direct value of Bala, you can write 1/3 12 plus x minus 10. This also can fetch you the answer. If you do this, how will you get? X minus 10 is equal to 1/3. 10 minus 2 is how much? X plus 2. It gives you x plus 2. So x minus 10 is equal to x by 3 plus 2 by 3. So how will you get this? X minus x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 10. That gives you 3x minus x by 3 is equal to 2 plus 30 by 10. 2 plus 30 by 3. That is LCM. 3 gets cancelled. So how much you have? 3x minus x is equal to 32. That is 2x is equal to 32. X is equal to 16. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
1/3 10 years before, but 12 years more. 12 years more. Both are in 10 years before, but 1/3. So this is the equation. You can get it, and x is equal to 16. Check out if people have not got it. You can do in any way. You will get the answer. Am I clear? Any doubts? X is equal to 16. Any doubts?
No doubt.
Okay. Take 10 minutes of break. All of you come back at 1:15. Like, just roam, have some water and come back. Okay? The class will be going on, but then take 10 minutes of break.
Three 343 into Yes, 130 into 130 plus 3.7. 3.8, not 3.3 into 100. R is not recording. I didn't think so. It should be and you know that it's very good. Now we can see our and college hello ma'am, excuse me. Yeah. How do you do it? It's not I have no idea. Usually you might have no gain problems. Yeti illama, yeti kodala, yeti illa. Yeti annadu. That is even number odd number. Yeti plus 1. That's not for yeti. Yeti, GT, orange. Yeti, GT, orange, illa. Like, very speed do, and speed is applied in explain the and it's very hard to correct for them. We have text and advanced text India, 100 of India. Okay. Kalau dia berapa ni? Dia bagi. Ini kan ada nanti. Kalau nak, ini ada. Kalau nak sudah, tidak.
Okay, all are there? All are back? Veda, Akshita, Darshan, Purva, Samhita.
Hello, ma'am. Excuse me.
Yes, Darshan.
Will they? Won't they give a calculator for class?
No calculators.
Oh yeah, because in PU or in 11th or 12th they'll give a calculator. That's why.
No, these are competitive examinations, right? All India level competitive examinations. So they will not provide any calculators. It's all your handwork.
Okay, thank you.
All are there. Shall I start? Veda,
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita,
Yes, ma'am.
Purva,
Yes, ma'am.
Samhita,
Yes, ma'am.
Harshita. Harshita? Okay. Take down the next question. A question paper consists of 100 questions. Each correct answer fetches 6 marks. A question paper consists of 50 questions. 100 questions. A question paper consists of 100 questions. Each correct answer fetches 6 marks. And 2 marks is deducted for each wrong answer. And 2 marks is deducted for each wrong answer. A student who attempts all questions, scored 180 marks. Scored 180 marks. A student who attempted all questions scored 180 marks. Find the number of questions answered by him correctly. I'll repeat the question. A question paper consists of 100 questions. Each correct answer fetches 6 marks. And 2 marks is deducted for each wrong answer. A student who attempts all the questions scored 180 marks. Find the number of questions answered by him correctly.
Ma'am, is that 222 marks?
What is 222?
Number of questions answered correctly, ma'am.
Okay. See, look at everyone. Look at me, everyone. See, how many questions are there? 100 questions.
Ma'am, is that 64?
100 questions are okay. 100 questions are there. Let me see. 100 questions are there. How many marks for 100 questions? The student got C. He attempted every question, all 100 questions, but he scored how much? 180. For this 100 questions, how many marks he got? 180 marks. For attempting all 100 questions, he scored 180. Okay, now that means what? See, if you answer one question, how much are you going to get? 6 marks. If you are answering one wrong question, how much you are getting deducted? 2 marks. Okay, this should be in your mind that X is wrong answer, correct answer. Let me think he has sum of wrong answers and correct answers. Even after that, he has how many sum of correct answers, wrong answers? 100 questions. Okay, now the 6x For correct answer you will get 6x. For wrong answer you will get how much? 2y. That is minus 2 is equal to, for this how much out of 100 questions, out of 100 things, how much did he answer? He got 180 marks. He got 180 marks for 100 questions. Now solve this. If you solve, what you will get? If you want to solve, what you will get? You can make this or this, anything. Let me do this as into 2. So this becomes 2x and 2y. If I do into 2, so this becomes 200. Okay, so I can cancel this easily. So 2x plus 6x, 8x, and this is gone, is equal to 200 plus 180, 380. X is equal to 380 by 8. What is x? How much is x? 8 1s are 8 4s are 32, and how much is carry? 6. 6 is carry, right? So 60. How much is, by what 6 goes? 8 6 are, sorry,
8 7s are 56 it becomes.
8 7s are 56, 4 is the carry, and 0 4 and 5, 47.5. X is equal to 47.5. Okay, what is this x? You know, x is equal to 47.5 in the sense you have got the x value. X is equal to 47.5. Now he got this 47.5. You need to multiply that with 3 because that many questions he have answered. 47.5 into 3. That those are x number of correct answers, right? Correct answers, how many he gave? 47.5. 47.5 is the correct answer. If you multiply with that 3, how much you will get? Multiply that with 3. Same is the answer. 47.5 into 3.
Mom, could you tell why you multiplying it by 3?
Because we got only x that are correct answers. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, multiply with 6. Here we have 6, right? Correct. We are not multiplying with the 3, we are multiplying with 6.
285.
47.5 will give you 285.
Yeah.
Okay, 285. Now, if 47.5 is the correct answer, 47.5 is the correct answer, how many questions he gave? You put this x value here somewhere in the equation. Take this equation, x plus y is equal to 100. Put the x value here, 47.5. 100 minus 47.5 is equal to y. How much is the answer? 52.5. So these are what? Wrong answer. 52.5 are number of wrong answers. So how many one wrong answer will cut you? That is, what is the answer? 52, 52.
105.
Yeah. So 105 is your wrong answer. So 285 is the score of your correct answers. 105 is the score of your wrong answers. So minus that, 285 minus 105. So how much is the answer that you're getting? 0, 8 and 1. 180. So how much did he score? 180. Who said me the answer 180? What
Mom,
is his score?
180 is given in the
180.
question. 180 is given in the question.
Yeah, 180 he scored. Now what is the question? How many questions he answered correctly? How many questions he answered correctly? 47.5.
47.5.
Right? Yeah, 47. So you cross-checked it. 180 you got it. If 180 he is scoring, how much he is getting? For what? 47.5 correct answers. Correct answers is 47.5. Wrong answers is 52.5. When you do that value, you will get 180. Correct answers 47.5. Wrong answers 52.2. Am I clear with this?
Yes.
How did we do? Yeah. Yeah, it is little lengthy and trickier, but you should understand the concept, that's all. The thing is asked, how many questions he answered correctly. So 47.5 questions he answered correctly. Am I clear with this? Shall I proceed?
Yes.
Okay, done. Take the question. A man spends 1/5 of salary on house rent, 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 one-fifth of salary on house rent, 3/5 of his salary on food, 3/5 of his salary on food, how much is that? 1/5 of his salary on house rent, 2/5 of his salary on food, and 1/3 of his salary on conveyance. If he has 5,000 left with him, 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 find his expenditure on food and conveyance. Find his expenditure on food and conveyance. I'll repeat the question. A man spends 1/5 of his salary to house rent, 2/5 of his salary to food, 1/5 of salary to conveyance. He is left out with 5,000 rupees. Say me what is the exact money he is spending for food and conveyance.
Ma'am, is conveyance 1/3 or 1/5?
1/3. Conveyance is 1/3. For example, I don't know the salary. Let me keep 1 as his salary. Okay, 1 as his salary. I don't know the total amount of salary. In that, how much are you removing? 1/5 for his rent. And what was that? How much was for food? Food was how much?
Ma'am, is rent 15,000.
How much was the value for the food I gave?
1/5.
1/5.
2/5. Food is 2/5.
So 2/5 of the salary is for food, 1/3 is for conveyance, and 1/5 is for the rent. Now, when you do
Ma'am,
this,
is the-
how much after? Okay.
The amount
What
for
is the answer?
Rent is 15,000.
I am asking for food and conveyance. Okay. So how much is left out after all the spending? 5,000 is left out. My screen is visible to everyone. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Now, if I take this much is my expenditure, I am removing it with some value and I am remained with 5,000. Okay. What I can do? 1 minus. Take down the LCM of this. What will be the LCM?
75.
75 is your LCM. If 75 is your LCM, what this becomes? 5, that is 15 plus, right?
Ma'am,
And
food
this
is
becomes 15.
Food is 6,000 and conveyance is 5,000.
Okay, conveyance is 5,000. Let me check. Now, how much is this? 25. Now, this is 500. So, how much are you going to get? 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 25, 55. 55 by 75 is equal to 5,000. Now, what is the value of this? 75 minus 55
Ma'am, it's 30.
divided by... Huh?
Ma'am, that is 2 by 5, right? You have written.
2 by 5.
Ma'am, that LCM will be 15,
2 by 5,
right?
2 into
30,
15,
30.
that is 30. 30, correct. Yeah? LCM will
Ma'am,
be...
how 15, right?
Anything is okay. You can take 15 or you can take this. Anything is okay. You will get the correct answer. Okay, this is 30. So, how will you do that? Where is that? 30. 30 plus 15 is 45. 45 plus 25 is how much? Yeah. If someone is asking me, if I take 15, how much this becomes? 5 3s are 15. Then 2 will not be going it from, 2 3s are 15, that is 6, plus 3 5s are 15. Yeah, what happened?
Mom,
Yes?
you haven't taken any variables, right? So,
No, I will add a variable. I will add a variable later on. For the easy calculation, I kept it. I will add a variable later on. So 3, 6, 5 and 15 and 5,000. How will you do this? 9 plus 5 is how much? 14. 14 by 15 and there is 1 minus here is equal to 5,000. Now 5 minus 14 divided by 5 is equal to 5,000. 5 minus 14 is how much? Minus? This is 15, right?
9.
15. Yeah. 15 minus 14. 15 minus, why did I take 5 in the denominator? 15 minus 14 is what? 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is equal to 5,000. So what is the value you are getting? Now instead of 1, you take it as x. Anything is okay. It was very difficult for me to, I thought like you can do it in this way also. So how much you will get here? Now if I do like this, 15 into 5,000. How much is 15 into 5,000? 15 into 5.
75,000.
75,000 is his salary. If 75,000 is his salary, how much he is spending for food? 2 by 5th of it. So 2 by 5 of 75,000 is how much? 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 fives are. 25,000. 2 into 25,000? 25, right? Yeah, 25,000. Into 2 will give you how much? 50,000. Now 50,000. How much is the for conveyance? How much is spending for conveyance? 1/3. 1/3 of 75,000 is how much?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
3 twos are 6. 3 fives are 15.
What should we find out?
25,000.
Ma'am, what should we find out actually? To find
Food and conveyance.
food and conveyance. Okay.
No, now actual salary is how much you're getting? That is 75,000, right?
Ma'am, the amount on food, ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, the amount on food is 50,000, ma'am, because 2 by 5 into 75,000.
Yeah.
And the amount on what else, ma'am? Conveyance, right? So it
Yeah,
is 1
but then, no, don't take it like that. Listen, Darshan. This 75,000 you have, okay, this 75,000, see,
Ma'am, can I
what
tell
you
my
were having, yeah,
Ma'am, may I tell my equation?
yeah,
I have assumed X as the total income of the person, ma'am. So what the equation I have formed is that 1 by 5x plus 2 by 5x plus 1 by 3x plus 5,000 rupees is equal to x. Because the total income of him is x. He has spent
yeah.
amount of x in that. Now the left amount is 5,000. How much he has spent? That 1 by 5 rent, conveyance and all. I found that in the equation. So the total
Yeah, we also got that. 75,000 is his total salary. If 2 by 5th of his salary is for the food, 2 by 5th, that is 2 by 5 into 75,000. And what you need to calculate? Conveyance. What is conveyance? How much is conveyance? 1 by 3rd, right? 1 by 3rd of 75,000.
25,000.
Okay.
25
So how much you will get? Yeah, 25 and 50,000.
Yes.
But what about the rent? Rent is how much?
1 by 5. So 1 by 5.
1 by 5.
15,000.
So here only we are getting for the rent and the conveyance itself, it is becoming 75,000.
Oh. Ma'am, no ma'am, the 75,000 is his total income, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah,
75,000 is total income.
75,000 is his total income, and how
Yes.
much is he left with? 5,000 also he have along with him.
Yes.
75,000 is his total income. Okay.
Yes.
In that total income, 2 by 5th he is spending to what? Rent. Food. That is 25,000. 1 by
Ma'am, sorry. You have that's actually wrong, ma'am. We should not take 75,000. We should take 70,000 because 5,000 rupees is left.
exactly. That's
So
what
75,000
75,000 is it. 75,000 is his total income.
Yes.
So if you take 75,000 as his total income, he is already left out with what? 4,000, 5,000, right?
Ma'am, so the equation will become 1 by 5x plus 2 by 5x plus 1 by 3x equals 70,000. That will be the equation.
See, I don't know his salary. So let me take x only. Okay. If I take x, this x is minus with what? 2 by 5x plus what is the, not 2 by 5, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is the rent, right? 1 by 5 is the rent. 2 by 5 is this thing. What is that? His salary, and what is that? 5 by 1 by 3rd. 1 by 3rd is his conveyance. But see, when you add this together, 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 3, you will get more than 1. That means he is spending more than the income. So don't get confused, okay? 75,000 is the correct answer. Is 75,000 itself. After doing everything, you will get the salary 75,000. But his spendings are more. Out of his salary, his spendings are more. I want only to calculate food and I want only to calculate conveyance. When you calculate food, you will get 50,000. When you calculate conveyance, you will get 25,000. Here itself, it is becoming 75,000. I want only to calculate food and conveyance. I don't want how much he is spending. Understanding? So don't get confused. That is what I want to say. His whole salary itself is going for food and conveyance. What is he paying for house rent? That is extra. Understanding? That is extra out of his pocket. So you don't get confused that his salary is this much only, but he is spending more. Salary should be more equal to the spendings. No, that is not needed. Why? Because he is spending more than his salaries. The fractions are more than 1. Okay, when you add this, you will get more than one, right? So don't get confused. The answer is what? Food is 50,000 and conveyance is 25,000. His
Ma'am, that's
total
why-
salary is 75,000.
Ma'am, that's why purposely they're not asking rent.
Yeah, they are not asking rent. Purposeful. No, they are not asking rent. They are not asking you anything about his extra expenditure and all.
Yes.
How much is the amount he is paying? Amount for food, amount for conveyance, amount for rent. That amount you should calculate. That's all. That is your intention. How much he is spending, more than this his salary or less than his salary, that is not required. Okay, so don't get confused with that. Are everyone clear? Food is 50 and
Yes.
I want only the value. Food is 50,000 and conveyance is 25,000. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone out there? Even though his salary is 75,000, I am not bothered. He is spending more or he is spending less. But answer is 75,000. His salary, out of that, I want to find out the actual value of the particular thing, what is spending. Shall I proceed? Am I clear? Veda, Purva, Harshita, Akshata, Samhita,
Yes, ma'am.
Darshan? Okay. So that's where people get confused. Even though they get correct answer, they'll think, no. My things are not equal. So let me just not do it. Okay. So that is the thing. You should not get confused with it. Now take down, this is the last question for the day. A man divides rupees. A man divides rupees. A man divides rupees 16,200 no 17,200. A man divides 17,200. A man divides 17,200 among 5 sons, 4 daughters and 2 nephews. This whole amount is divided between 2 nephews, 4 daughters and 5 sons. Each daughter is receiving 4 times than the nephew. 4 times than nephew. 4 times than nephew. Each daughter is receiving 4 times as much as each nephew. As much as each nephew. And the son is receiving 5 times as much as each nephew. Each son is receiving 5 times as much as each nephew. How much each daughter receives? I want how much each daughter receives. Each daughter is receiving what amount? 17,200 is divided by so and so. Okay, now what you can write? How many sons? 5 sons. But let me consider nephew as X. If I consider nephew as X, let me consider one nephew as X. Now, because nephew is the base for me. 5 sons in the sense what? 5. How many times they are getting more than the nephew? 5 times, right? 5x plus 4 into 4x plus 2x. Nephew itself is 2 nephews 2x is equal to 17,200. When you do this, you will find out x. That is 25x plus 16x plus 2x is equal to 17,200. Now when you add this 43x, you will get 70,200. So x is equal to what? 17,200 divided by 43. So how much will you get? Yeah, x is equal to 400.
400, sir.
X is equal to 400. That means what? Each nephew is getting 400. But each daughter is how much times getting than the nephew? 4 times, right? 4 into x. 4 into 4. That is 1,600. Each daughter is receiving 1,600. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Everyone out there? This is something called as playing with the numbers. Anything it is given, you should act little smart and you should get it. Darshan, Purva, Veda, Samhita. Everyone are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Harshita. Harshita is not there. Okay. That was today's thing, maths. So we will be learning in maths for data interpretation. The major topics you want is ratios and proportions, percentage, and this number system somehow we did it. And we have, you also need to know profit and loss, percentage, ratios and proportions, and compound interest and simple interest topics, time and work and time and distance. These are the topics that we are going to learn in maths, and it will be very easy. Was the class useful?
Yes, ma'am, very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will be seeing you in the next weekend. Until then, I will be sending you the formulas in the group now. You can go through it, and I need you to get thorough with it by the next week. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Bye bye. Any
Thank you.
queries?
No.